Hey there, I am here to show you this new locking stash box that I just got. It is made of acacia wood and it is really high quality. It has a lovely velvet bottom so it doesn't slide very easily. It's going to be very sturdy as you're working in it. It also has a lock that you can customize the combination for, so that you can keep everything you're stashing in here safe and protected from anyone you don't want to get in here. So to open it, you're just going to flip the lock over. You get a lot of extra goodies included. So you do get some bags that you can use to store some of your stash supplies, and you get this little brush to help you clean off your tray. The tray itself has a hygrometer in it, so this will tell you the humidity levels inside your stash box so that you can make sure it's not getting too humid and causing mold or other bacteria in your stash. You also get this charcoal bag that helps to control odors, so anything you put in here, whether it has a pungent smell, this is going to be controlled with this charcoal bag. And then you also get 3 stash containers. You have these little styrofoam inserts. I left mine in here because I thought it was really nice to just keep them nice and solid in there. You could take them out if you want. The stash containers themselves are glass with a plastic lid, and then inside there is another sealing top to just keep things fresh and control odors. To change the lock, it's really easy. Once you pull out the red tab, you're going to push this in and you're going to change those numbers to whatever code you want, and then that will be your locking code. Once you release it, it sets that code, and now when you turn the dials, it's not going to open it, but if I go back to that code that I set, you can see now I can open it. So really easy to set the combination. Just don't forget what combination you set, and you'll be good to go. So a really great solution to keeping your stash supplies and your stash locked up and secure.